Today, we will continue our trading journey by using our best scalping strategy with our best trading view indicator. As you know, markets are not easy to trade nowadays. Selecting right assets are quite important as well as trading rallies or crashes. If you are ready, let's do this. After taking a loss, I was looking for ways to cover the loss from yesterday. And this bread coin looked like a viable option for me. It was another top gainer coin of the day, and it was ideal to look for longs. In this hourly chart, you can notice that it generally respects its imbalances before rallying. Also, seeing this specific price level felt really great. Support and resistance flip location combined with previous week high amplifier. And all of these were happening in the location of hourly imbalance. What a nice location to look for a trade. Now, of course, how did I find this coin besides it was the top gainer? Of course, the ICT high time frame indicator helped me a lot with this. The moment I saw the 4-level imbalance location, it already got into my trading list. Seeing the 30 and 45-minute imbalances and also the 1 and 2 hour imbalances gave me extra confidence. Plus, you can see the SR flip location on the right side. This is why I love this indicator so much. It is just showing me the important parts of the chart, removing all the other clutter. So I do not need to get lost in so many trading concepts here. Now, let's talk about the entry. Now, in this low time frame chart, everything looks clear as you can see. Here is our entry location, which we used our indicator to find out, and also our SR flip in clear detail. Now, for this trade, I was not specially waiting for any kind of entry confirmation. Instead, I just used our simple yo-yo to manage this trade. With the right location, I jumped to trade with the first yo-yo entry. A simple market order, nothing complicated here. Then I placed a limit order right below the liquidity point in case it drops further for an extra liquidity trap. And lastly, I noticed this great fuel location, a combination of parabolic liquidity and imbalance together. I did not place an order here. Just take a note of it for a possible third yo-yo entry. Luckily, it did not need any extra yo-yo here. First entry was sufficient enough. Price rallied like 10% from my entry zone. As you can see, strategies will work and fail in a regular basis. There's no holy grail or way of always win-win-win. I took a loss, now I took a win. Trading is a long journey with so many challenges. Okay folks, this is the end of a very educational video. Please take care of yourself and see you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you